How to add debit card to Cash App. First things first, open up your Cash App. Look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your little profile icon. Go ahead and tap that. Now, scroll down a tiny bit until you see Linked Banks. It's right under your personal settings. Tap that, and on the next screen, you'll see the option to link debit card with a little plus sign next to it. Give that a tap. All right, here's where you put your info in. Type in your 16-digit debit card number first. Once you do that, the app will automatically ask for your expiration month and year, followed by that 3-digit CVV security code on the back of your card. Last little step, just type in the billing zip code for that card and hit that big green Link Card button at the bottom. And that's all it takes. Your card is now successfully connected. If you ever need to swap this card out or update your information down the road, make sure to click on my next video right here where I show you exactly how to change your card on Cash App.